Hi, welcome to the third week of this course on the circular economy. I'm Rosa, one of the teaching assistants. Last week we looked at how a circular economy can be beneficial for companies and at the different business models that can be applied. We discussed the case of Riversimple. There was an interesting discussion on the forum. Is Riversimple a use-oriented model or a result-oriented model? For instance, Lerner Verboek argued that the Riversimple case is a use-oriented model since the consumer pays to use the car for a certain amount of time. However, as was remarked by Hugo Lennon, there are also some aspects of a result-oriented model, since Riversimple takes over the responsibility of fuel consumption. And I would indeed argue that we can see aspects from both in this business model. It's good to realize that there is not always a clear distinction. What's interesting is to understand all the aspects that contribute to these models, to be able to recognize and implement them yourselves. Today, we start learning about the value of longer-lasting products. Making products that last long is a key feature of the circular economy. This episode is going to be active and hands-on. We will see how leading innovators at Fairphone have rewritten the rules on how phones go together and come apart again. We then invite you to take apart a product yourself, in order to learn how it was put together and to consider its repairability. Well, have fun!